Somebody just stole the Uber Eats driver car. Oh my God. Oh shit.
Somebody did.
They just stole his car.
Somebody did rob him?
Yes, they just stole his car. They stole your car?
You are now watching Doorbell News.
You didn't even know somebody was outside your door while you were sleeping last night, did you? Well, good thing these homeowners have Ring doorbells. They all know to lock their doors before they go to sleep, because the freaks come out at night. Salem, Oregon.
Sorry. Oh, good.
It's just, your mother's here. Mommy's home. Mommy's home.
Portland, Oregon. Better keep those doors locked. Can't even walk on the sidewalk anymore. Southgate, California. Looks like a burglary is in the process.
You want some money? You want to get some money? Huh? Can I use it?
Montgomery, Alabama. Always verify before opening your doors at nighttime.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, no, excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Excuse me. I ain't mean to spook you. I didn't mean to spook you, miss.
Los Angeles, California. Yeah, better keep those cars in the garage or something. West Valley City, Utah.
Hello? Abel said he left his car keys in there, and I'm trying to get the car keys.
Meanwhile, in Southgate. Tacoma, Washington. A neighbor shared this video after their home was broken into. Richmond, Virginia. What's this guy want?
Man, I'm trying to get some help.
Hello?
Trying to get some help out here.
You need to call the police? You need someone to call the police?
Yes.
Okay, I'll call.
Yes. Thank you.
Pregnant, though.
What's her issue?
I don't even need to defend myself. I didn't meet you. Ever. Nobody cares about me, obviously. I guess I'm never gonna have anybody ever love me ever again.
Mesa, Arizona. Corpus Christi, Texas.
Can I help you with something? I have you on camera. I'm calling the cops.
Get lost! Portland, Oregon. Medford, Oregon. Salem, Oregon. Union City, California.
Go away.
Get lost!
Oh, my bad.
Sacramento, California.
Well, my name is L.J.
Meanwhile, in Pittsburgh.
Huh?
Back the fuck up. Back the fuck up. What are you doing on my porch? Back up.
I have your.
Back the fuck up. Back the fuck up. I don't want you on my porch. Back the fuck up.
Okay, but dude,
I don't give a fuck, bro. You get that?
Your people set me up.
That's not my people.
Yeah,
I
your
live
people.
right here.
Your people said, Rob, come change it down.
No.
Yeah, they do. You want box?
No.
Bye. I'll bring them to you.
No, don't bring shit to me. Keep going.
Meanwhile, in Sacramento. Austin, Texas.
Do you? Well, you'll deal with more with me? Huh? Do you? Come on. Yeah, come on. Shut your f***ing mouth, lady.
Long Beach, California. Looks like these guys are trying to scale somebody's house. Meanwhile in Salem,
You are on video being recorded right now. I have your
This
license
is Rapid
plate
Response
information,
Security.
and the
Person
police
seen
are
breaking
on the way.
glass. We have dispatched the police. Leave the property immediately.
meanwhile in Los Angeles, they're off with the catalytic converter. Meanwhile in Pittsburgh,
I'm telling you now, don't come back. You can keep going. Go wherever the fuck you going. Don't come back here. I don't want what you selling. Go ahead, keep going.
Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Who's this guy?
Outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Chicago, Illinois.
He's running. He's overside.
Jacksonville, Florida. This guy just finds out what a bike lock is. Yeah, it doesn't move. Get lost! Meanwhile in Fresno.
You can leave.
No, God bless. I'm not.
Meanwhile in Chicago.
Oh, hello? Yeah, there's somebody at the auto compound by the garage.
Anchorage, Alaska. Looks like this guy's trying to enter somebody's home.
How come it looks different?
Meanwhile in Tacoma, looks like they're cleaning its house out. Meanwhile in Salem, authorities finally arrived. Meanwhile in Sacramento, make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
How's it going? Solid. Alright. Do you live here? No? Where do you live? Not here. Not here? Is there a reason why you're banging on the door trying to get in? No. No? Okay, where do you stay at? Down here. What's down here mean? I'm about to leave. Down here. Not this house, right? No. What's your address? You get right there, call Uber or something? No. Alright, can we start moving? Come again? What's that? Come again? I said you need to start moving. Find somewhere else to hang out. Stop banging on people's doors. Alright. Alright, let's get moving. For sure. Police department. Hi. We're here for that guy sitting in front of your door.
Oh,
He's just a junkie. He doesn't have his hat.
I figured as much. I was just worried that he was gonna like break the window or something because he was banging on the doors.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.